During the American Revolution, as well as every other war up until World War I, more troops died due to sickness than from actually fighting the war.
To understand the reasons for so many deaths, we must first look at the backstory of colonial physicians and their methods, which were very different from views of medical practitioners today.
A colonial physician usually held a high ranking close to that of a priest.
Unfortunately, a physician gained a good reputation through skilled rhetoric, not success at their profession.
Most never argued what they had been taught and were usually only present for comfort and support.
The first medical college opened in America was the Pennsylvania Hospital.
Common surgeries during the Revolution included lithotomies, setting fractures, reduction of dislocations, and amputations. Before surgery began, a wounded man was bled.
Anesthesia would not come about for many years, so the biting the bullet, alcohol, and the drug opium were used.
There were no laws or guidelines for practicing medicine.
Most drugs doctors chose hurt more than they helped.
The Middle Army's first Surgeon General, while he did believe in bleeding patients until they fainted, also supported a very important idea: cleanliness.
Healthy, sick, and injured soldiers fought together.
Conditions in hospitals and soldier quarters were extremely unsanitary.
While use of bad medicines definitely contributed to the issues, many deaths could have been avoided if the hospitals had managed to keep sanitary conditions.
War hospitals treated many cases of smallpox.
Smallpox led to the Continental Army's defeat in Canada. At one point, an average of 60 soldiers per week were dying.
After an extremely bad winter in 1777, Washington declared all troops had to be immunized.
To be immunized, one got infectious fluid from someone with smallpox implanted into a cut.
Since soldiers usually felt sick for a few days after the procedure, Washington tried to carry it out in secret.
After being immunized, the Continental Army set out for the battles of Yorktown.
They discovered the British had abandoned slaves with smallpox along the road the Americans were traveling down.
The Americans gained victory at the battles of Yorktown, proving that the immunizations had been a great success in the medical world.